Hey Mathsters, I am Saksham and you are watching Mathsters Nation. So guys, first of all, though, sorry for uploading the video late. I was busy in some other important work. And second thing, let's begin with today's question.
Guys, you know what you have to do. Pause the video, try it out, and then continue watching the video for the solution.
So guys, first let's see what are the contents of this question. The question says that in a triangle ABC, AD is a median and E is the midpoint of the median AD, and BE is produced to meet AC at point Q. Now the question is saying that we have to prove BE upon EQ, or BE is to EQ is equals to 3 upon 1 or 3 is to 1. These are the contents of the question. So now let's begin with the solution. We are gonna do a construction. We are gonna draw a line DX, let this point be X, parallel to BQ. I repeat it once again. We have drawn a construction DX parallel to the line BQ. Now, we'll consider the triangle ADX first. In this triangle, E is the midpoint of AD as given in the question. EQ is gonna be parallel to the line DX, as BQ is parallel to DX, so eventually EQ will also be parallel to DX. Therefore, according to the converse of midpoint theorem, EQ is gonna be equal to half DX. Now we are gonna consider the triangle BQC. In this triangle, D is the midpoint of BC and DX is parallel to BQ. Therefore, by the converse of midpoint theorem, dx is gonna be equal to half bq, or we can say that bq is equals to twice dx. Now let's move on to the final proving. We had to prove that be upon eq was equal to 3:1. Now let's see. BE can be written as BQ minus EQ, and EQ can be written as EQ, we can't do anything about it. BQ, we derived that is equals to twice dx, and EQ was equals to half dx. EQ half dx equals to, let's solve it, 2 into 2 4 dx minus dx by 2 divided by dx by 2 into 2 by dx. We did the reciprocal, 2 is to cancel, 4 minus 1 3 dx upon dx, dx cancelled is equals to 3 upon 1 is equals to 3 is to 1. And so here we end with this question. So guys, that was all for today. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. Like the video if you haven't done it yet. Comment on the video, share it with your friends, family members, relatives. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring and keep innovating. Jai Hind.